Hey everybody, it's Brian and back with another video. This time I'm cleaning up the area around my Musa Basjoo banana plants. Now I've been really consumed by the shed rebuild, but I am at a point now where I'm starting to clean up the yard, and as I clean up each section of the yard, I'm also doing just regular maintenance type stuff. So that includes, with the Musa Basjoos, taking off all of the protection that's still left from the winter. I've already unwrapped them, but we've still got a little bit more to clean these up. Now, if you haven't seen the way that I winterize my Musa Basjoos, once the leaves drop after the first freeze, I cut off all the leaves and some of the tops, and I just throw those on the ground to provide some additional insulation for the roots. So that's mostly what's left that I still need to clean up here. You can see there's a crazy amount of bugs and worms. They really love being in here. It makes great compost if you have the space to be able to do that. You can throw all this in a compost bin and get some really good compost from these for your garden. While I'm cleaning these up and here, I'm going to take the time to just dig out a couple of extras that I don't want. It's a good opportunity to do that. The ground is nice and soft from spring rains, and there's just more bananas than I want for this summer. So I take a few minutes and dig out the ones that I don't want. Some of these are going to go to neighbors. Others are going to go to another spot here in the yard. You can also see some of the remains of my drip system through here. Now, I've already moved a few plants this spring, and I knew I did damage to one or more of the lines. So I know I need to rebuild them. I'm not overly concerned with them at this point. I've got to redo it. I mean, plus I've taken some plants out anyway, so it's just easier to not worry about it and go through and fix it later. So now that I've got the plants out that I want out, I am going to level off the dirt and continue with the cleanup. And since I'm out here in this section, I go ahead and grab the scissors and start trimming up some of the strawberries here just off to the side. I also use this as an opportunity to trim up the banana plants themselves. There's no real science here. I'm just going for aesthetics and how I like them to look. So I'm trying to trim off just some of the raggedy leftover outer leaves that have dried out and turned brown. After a few passes with the brooms, I bring out the hose and get rid of the rest of the dirt. Last, I get the potted hydrangea back to its spot, and I pull out my orange hot lava, which has spent the winter in the garage. That's it. This area of the yard is all clean. Hopefully I don't destroy it with any more of my shed work. I don't think I will, but we are good to go here and on to the next. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips on growing tropical and subtropical plants in cold weather environments. Have a good one.